In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude AI. We'll move through the process from opening Claude to refining your analysis, so you can quickly turn spreadsheets into clear insights. Open Claude in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, head to a fresh conversation. Click into the chat box and look for the small plus icon next to the input area. This is how you'll attach your file. Click that plus icon and a small menu will pop open. From that menu, choose Add Files or Photos. This is where you'll select your spreadsheet. Pick the Excel file you want to analyze. Claude works great with DocXLSX and CSV formats. After you select the file, wait a moment for it to upload into the chat. You should see a confirmation in the message area when it's attached. If your file is large, give it a few extra seconds to finish. Quick tip: use a descriptive file name so it's easy to keep track of what you've uploaded, and avoid sharing any private or sensitive data. By the way, if you need access to Claude, you'll find the link to the website at the top of the description. If you're on mobile, I've also included the official app download link there for convenience. With the file uploaded, it's time to ask Claude to analyze it. In the chat box, type a clear prompt such as "Analyze this Excel file and summarize key insights." Find trends and patterns in this data, or create a summary report. Being specific helps. If you know what matters most, mention the columns, time frame, or categories you care about. Claude will respond with insights, summaries, and explanations based on your data. Read through the output and compare it with what you know about the spreadsheet to confirm it aligns with your goals. If something seems unclear, you can ask Claude to restate findings in simpler language, or to focus on a particular section of the data. To refine results, continue the conversation with follow-up questions like "Break this down by category," "Show top values," or "Explain this simply." Iterating like this helps transform a general overview into exactly the analysis you need, whether that's high-level takeaways or granular details. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded and analyzed an Excel file in Claude AI. Keep experimenting with different prompts to tailor the insights to your project. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the description for the website link and the app download link if you need it. Thanks for watching.